everyone, my name is Chaithra and I am from first year Computer Science and Engineering. Our startup company is BIDTK Ventures. My product present name is Tech Earrings and the product proposed name was Earrings. First stage is empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First thing was using GPS tracker, second one was using emergency alert. Second stage is define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Earrings, futuristic product name Tech Earrings. Third stage is ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one GPS tracker, second one Bluetooth, third one emergency alerts. Fourth stage is prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Finally, testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.